Hey there. Ever face the frustration of an Orbi router with a stubborn orange power light? This week, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of how to fix the Orbi orange power light issue so you can ensure your Wi-Fi network is back up and running smoothly. An orange power light on your Orbi device signifies connectivity issues, often indicating the need for troubleshooting. But worry not, because we've got you covered with step-by-step solutions to get that light back to blue. Step 1. Restart your Orbi and modem. The first and simplest step in fixing the Orbi orange power light is to restart your Orbi device along with your modem. Unplug both devices from their power sources. Wait about 30 seconds before plugging them back in, starting with your modem and then your Orbi device. Give them a few minutes to boot up fully and reconnect. Often a simple restart is enough to clear temporary glitches causing the issue. Step 2. Check your connections. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Sometimes the orange light can be due to a loose Ethernet or power cable. Double check that the power cable is firmly connected to your Orbi and that the Ethernet cable is securely plugged into both the modem and the Orbi router. Also, make sure there are no frayed or damaged cables that could be affecting connectivity. Step 3. Update Orbi firmware. Outdated firmware can lead to connectivity problems and the infamous orange light. Access the Orbi app or interface using a web browser. Log in with your credentials, then navigate to the firmware updates section. Check if there are any available updates and proceed to install them. Keep your firmware updated to ensure optimal performance and resolution of known issues. Step 4. Resync Orbi satellites. If you have multiple Orbi units, ensure they are properly synced. Press the sync button on the main Orbi device and then on the satellite units. Follow any specific syncing instructions your model may have, as re-establishing the connection between the Orbi devices can clear the orange light. Step 5. Conduct a factory reset. When other methods fail, a factory reset might be necessary. Use a paperclip to press the reset button on your Orbi router for about 10 seconds until the light flashes. Be aware that this will erase any customized settings on your device, needing you to set it up from scratch. After resetting, follow the setup instructions provided by Orbi to configure your network. Step 6. Contact support. If you've tried all these steps and the orange light persists, it may be time to reach out to Orbi customer support. Sometimes hardware issues or service provider configuration problems need professional attention. They can guide you through additional troubleshooting steps or service options. Dealing with an Orbi orange power light can be frustrating, but by following these steps, you're well on your way to fixing the issue and restoring your network's seamless operation. Remember, start with simple solutions like restarting and checking connections before moving on to more complex actions like updating firmware or resetting devices. With patience and methodical troubleshooting, that orange light will be a distant memory, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted connectivity once again. Stay connected.